Hello and welcome to AnyBiz. Today we are going to talk about 5 cold email templates for freelancers to find new clients. But before we begin, subscribe, press like button and notification bell in order not to miss next one cool insight about marketing. Let's get started. The most demanding yet crucial facets of being a freelancer is finding new clients to cooperate with. Thankfully, adopting high-quality cold email templates will simplify the hunting process. This video will cover the benefits of email templates as well as the requirements for effective email templates. Moreover, we offer not only particular email templates for hooking potential clients, but also detail the benefits of each template. Why does it worth writing it in this way? You can adapt it to any business, but we have decided to pick up 5 most famous freelance positions: web designer, content writer, marketer, video editor, and developer. You might ask the question, is it still working? And we would definitely answer yes. Many freelancing publications advise you heavily personalize your offer in order to get people's attention. This theory has some value. If you show that you have a thorough understanding of someone and their company, they are more willing to collaborate with you. This strategy, meanwhile, necessitates a significant time commitment. By creating 1 or 2 attractive email templates, you may go more effectively. When it's time to offer, you may then add the recipient's name and the name of the firm and send the email as is. This makes it simple to send out dozens, if not hundreds, of proposals each month. All that has been mentioned before and will be mentioned after this short introduction is implemented in AnyBiz service will be done automatically for you with the help of AI, which is integrated into the automated cold email campaign system. So you don't need to learn how to write email, how to personalize it, how to send massive amounts of email every single day. AnyBiz has already done everything to make your life easier and allow you to concentrate on more important business issues. Yep, copy-paste is a cool thing, but you have to understand how to work and use templates. There are just 4 simple steps on how to start using them. Choose a template which is more relevant to your niche. Adapt the template to explicitly explain your company, experience, and service offers. Alter the template's wording. Personalize the template. Make sure you are at the very least utilizing the appropriate email address and names for the particular person and or company you are pitching. By highlighting a particular aspect of their job, your connection of their company, or special items that would be appropriate for their industry, you can further customize these letters. Send it. Checking it 2 or 3 times is crucial, but never try to make it so perfect. Better start sending, and in time you will understand what and how works. The greatest thing is that you simply need to repeat the 3rd and 4th stages once you've completed this process once to send out further emails. And icing on the cake, cold email templates for freelance professions. Now we are going to provide you a selection of cold email templates, each one designed to fit a certain job. The areas that can be customized are designated with brackets. Cold email template for web designer. Advantages. This email achieves a number of goals. The first paragraph demonstrates your knowledge with the business and the purpose of your email. The second paragraph shows off your knowledge by employing terms from the sector and providing instances of your work. You provide the other individual a clear, practical next step in the last paragraph. Content writing. Compared to the earlier example, this email template specifies more precisely on what you are selling. This is due to the fact that creating content is sometimes a long-term endeavor with a range of tasks, as opposed to a one-time undertaking like a website overall. Listing a variety of topics you are interested in learning more about demonstrates your familiarity with the field you work in and your long-term outlook on content marketing. Marketer. Anyone may identify as a marketer in the social media age. This email illustrates your industry expertise and your capacity for success. And to keep the email's length consistent with our other cold email templates, all of this additional information is contained in a single paragraph. Video editor. Once more, the emphasis in this communication is on the results attained rather than the specifics of the job being done. This clarifies for potential clients that what they can actually expect from working with you. And finally, developer. Advantages of this email. With a stronger emphasis on the specifics, this email template fulfills all the same goals as the web designer pitch. The details are crucial since web development involves a wide range of jobs and applications kinds. How to make these templates even more stronger? Our email templates are all created with consciousness in mind. After all, the individuals you are searching don't want a 3-page email from someone they've never met. The cold email templates in this video provide most prospective customers all the details they need to decide whether or not they want to work with you. But some possibilities are more intriguing than others. If you're hunting a firm you like or one that is bigger than the ones you have previously worked with, you may want to put in a little additional effort to make your presentation stand out. The best course of action in these circumstances is to research your potential customer. Consider how they now approach the task you perform and come up with a minimum of 3 methods to make it better. Then you can include these ideas into your presentation to show that you are knowledgeable about both the business you are trying to attract and your own position.